Wrote your name in the fog on the glass, watched it fade like the love we let pass. Your sweater still hangs by the back of the door, but your laugh don't echo here anymore. Late night calls, I let them ring, still hear you in everything. Your ghost don't yell, it just sighs in every sleepless lullaby.
Your scent still lingers on the sheets, cold side of the bed still talks to me. I talk to the mirror like you're there, but it's just me and your empty stare. I cut your records, kept your lies, still dream of us on quiet nights. You left but never truly left, you're the shadow in every breath. You're still in the room, though you're gone for good. Still feel your hands where you once stood. Love like a flame, not just the smoke, but every breath reminds us of the words we broke. We're learning to move, but we move with pain, still dancing in the echo of your name. Even if we never see us soon, you're still in the room. I burned your letters one by one, still feel the heat, but not the sun. Ashes rise, but don't erase the way you touch my broken faith.
Your jacket's gone, but not your trace. Your toothbrush still guards your space. Healing's hard when love was deep, and the wound don't let a heart sleep.
You're still in the room,
though you're gone for good. Still feel your hands where you once stood. Love like a flame, not just the smoke, but every breath reminds us of the words we broke. We're learning to move, but we move with pain, still dancing in the echo of your name. Even if we never see us soon, you're still in the room.
I dress the bed, but leave your side untouched.
Can't fill the space, can't unlove that much.
Sometimes strong feels just like now,
and healing is a lie we whisper to become. You're still in the room, but I'm finding me a little less lost than I used to be. Love like a flame, we let it burn, but from the ash we start to learn. We'll carry the ghost, but not the chain. We'll dance again, but not in pain. Even if we don't forget